Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samila Khan 92. Today my video is about how to clean the doors of your car. This you can see how dirty these doors are. This all, if you can see from far away, how dirty it is. So today I will show you how to clean these doors. If you see these things you must clean by yourself. No need to take it to the workshop, or you must save your amount by cleaning yourself. I will show you the back doors also. This also have some dirt. Let's see the back doors. There is too much dirt. You need to fix this on. I'll show you another side. You see this door also. Okay, now I'll show you how we can clean this. I have this spray. First you need to spray this on all to remove this dirt. Okay, and you spray and leave it for 5 minutes on whole door. Put on the whole door, every place. Okay, first you need to spray this all. After 5 minutes, I'll show you how to clean this. Okay, so let's wait for the 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will come back to you, and if you can see this, I'll show you. The dirt is coming out. See this on my fingers? So the dirt is coming out of the door. So you must wait for 5 minutes first. Let the dirt come out, and after that you clean it with the sponge or something. I will show you. You need one sponge like this, or the small one. Small one is better, I think. This is big, so you use small one to easily clean the small areas also. So let's come back after 5 minutes. Let's start cleaning this. I'll show you a little how to clean this. You just rub it like this. See? It's going. Okay, I'll be back with you after cleaning complete door, and then I will show you this. These parts, you also see this dirt on this place, so you also need to make a spray on that and clean it. First, what you need to put sponge on this. See this, the sponge, it's going. See this? Sponge, it's fine. After sponge, you can use a cloth. See how it's coming. See this? The spray is very good to clean your vehicle. Our front door is almost clean, so we will go to the next door. I will show you. Watch this one, and after this, watch this one. Watch the difference between both doors. I'll show you again. This is dirty one, and this is the clean one. See the difference? Again, you need the same way. spray the use the spray on complete door first. Let the dirt come out of the door. The proper way to clean this is to leave the spray up to 5 minutes. Okay. So let's come back after 5 minutes. You see the door condition now, and after cleaning I will show you again. Again, first you need to use this brush on the dirt to let the dirt come out of the small fixing inside of the door. You can see this dirt is coming out. You see, and after using this sponge, you will show you use any cloth, any clean cloth. See this, how it works. My mirror lever is broken. Let me clean first, then I will show you again. So let's see. After cleaning, you can see the difference. It's very clean now. Before, too much dirt inside these particles, inside here. You see there is no dirt now. It's very clean, looks like new. So let's go to the next door. So let's see the next door of the vehicle. See this one. This I cleaned before a bit here. See, this area is dirty, but this area is clean. This before I cleaned already. So I'll do the same and I'll show you back again the door after cleaning. So I will show you some spots before cleaning. See this. This is very dirty. You can see here. See this place. I will show you later this all. Now you can see after cleaning this door of the vehicle, very neat and clean. I think this spot remaining, I will clean it later. I show you this dirt, how much dirt before here. You see now no dirt here, and this is not clean but a dim bit. So let's go to the next door. I'll show you. This is the next door of the vehicle. So see, this is more dirty. So I'll clean this all. After that I'll show you. You can see here inside also dashboard. This all is very dirty. So this needs to be clean. So after cleaning, it will be looks like a new. So you see this is very dirty because it's near to the belt and the hand touch here most of the time. So this is more dirty. And this door. Okay. Do the same procedure. Spray first. And after cleaning, I'll show you this also. See this how to clean. I'll show you again here one more time, so you know better. First spray, and then use the sponge here. Sponge will remove these dirt inside these spaces. Inside these spaces, you can see when you rub, you can see this. See this? It's coming out. See, it's coming out. When this come out, what you need to do is just swipe with the cloth. See, just swipe it on. Your vehicle will be looks like new from inside. It's very easy. Save your money. It's very cheap spray. I'll show you the spray today, and you can buy and clean by yourself. I show you how to clean this. The same this side, you can see. Swipe First rub and then swipe. Very easy to clean this. Shop person will not tell you anything about this hack to how clean your vehicle from inside, because they are businessmen. They want to run their business. See this place? It's dirty before because of belt. There's more spray here. I put some more spray here because more dirty. See? Also inside this, more dirt inside also. So no, swipe it easily. Just what it will show you how this will work. See now? Okay. Watch this door now from inside. It's look like a new after cleaning. So this dashboard I show you, this also clean now, neat and clean. You can see this is clean one and this is still remaining. You can see, if I'll show you from the back side, see the downside is looks like clean and upside is dirty. After cleaning I'll show you this one again. See this, now it's clean. Before it's look dark, now it's look shiny, white color. We use shiner later, it will be looks so nice. I'll show you after shiner also. That's it friend, now I'll show you all the doors of vehicle are cleaned, neat and clean, looks like a new. This is the door one. This is the door 2. Sorry, I missed before to show you these doors. See, this is the third door. Now I'll show you the last door and the spray. Which spray I use. This is the third door. And the inside of vehicle is very neat and clean now. So it looks like a new. So I'll show you here the spray now. Here comes the spray now. This is the spray you can use. It's a very good spray. One bottle I use on complete vehicle. So one bottle is enough for your sedan. If you have SUV or big vehicle, so you can buy two. Maybe on SUV maybe one is enough, but on sedan maybe on sedan also one enough, but if you have some big vehicle, so you can buy two. So this is all about the cleaning of doors of your vehicle. So very nice cleaning. So that's all friends. Like, share and subscribe my channel. I will show you more hacks with you like this. Thank you very much for subscribing my channel.